Hello, hello. Today is a bit of a different one. I was actually in the middle of pulling Lumpstick apart for some big power upgrades coming in the next video until something came across my desk. A Facebook Marketplace listing for a manual rear-wheel drive 90s Japanese car for under $5,000. This thing just ticked so many boxes that I just couldn't help myself. So Brenny and I went over to Kuruma Auto House, a little local used car dealership that also happens to import some very special cars. So here's what happened. Hello. Mate, how are we going? We're here for the car?
Yeah, the legend.
How are we doing?
Good to see you, good to see you.
I'd like to say the same.
Look at that. Sorry.
Bro, you got honey all over my hand. What are you doing? Alright, where is she?
But are you sure you want it?
Yep.
Just there.
There she is. We have here a manual rear-wheel drive Toyota Hiace, a 90s literal Japanese shitbox. Wow, mate, look at this. So, how many Ks are on it?
I actually can't remember.
You don't know?
Low 300,000.
Are you serious? 300,000 kilometers? What? You said there's no rust. I can literally see it's bubbling around the window.
No, it's just water.
That's rust
That's just
sweat.
water.
Rust sweat's fine.
Oh, so does it turn on?
That's men.
Oh,
It's a bit gassy.
bro, it stinks.
Ooh. Don't know what we could use this for, kind of.
Why is it covered in paint? What? Did this belong to a painter or something?
No, it's a plumber.
Plumber? Oh. Does it come with the duct tape that's been used to patch up this?
Hey, don't show the freebies.
That's
What?
the rust.
No,
See, now he's taking it. Now you have to take $10 off the value.
mate. Does it come with the shelving?
Stop asking. Comes with everything included. Problems and all.
So it's got a door. Bro, what the fuck is this?
Legend.
Put our core flute signage there.
Whoa.
Spare tires. Check this out, check this out. I found the most unique thing about this JDM Classic already.
Is this not the blinker fluid? Does it come with blinker fluid topped up? Does it actually come with much tire tread? Bro, these are bald.
They're commercial tires, you run them bald forever.
Right, what about
Ooh. Sound system.
Oh, look at that. It has a head unit. It's manual, like we said. It's got a handbrake. If we keep quiet about this, it might even come with the phone mount.
Let's see if we can get the engine out. Kind of sit on the engine in these cars. Battery.
What? Where's the engine?
Under the seat. I just don't know how to get to it. There we go. Got it.
Oh, look at that.
That is a...
It's a 4-cylinder. I know that much. Well, it doesn't matter because we'll put an LS in it anyway. Right?
I wasn't told about that.
Yep, well, all right. Well, I mean, look, man, the tires are bald. The condition is wrecked. It's literally rusting. Bro, this van belonged to a painter. What was your asking price again?
Was it $2,100?
$2,100.
I thought it was painter like panel beater and it was going to be immaculate.
That's what I thought. I thought it was an automotive painter that owned this, so it would have immaculate
Look at the
paint.
interior though. The interior is nice. That is nice.
Bro, you haven't even vacuumed it.
Yes, wait. Oh no, no service book.
So 360,000 kilometers with no service history.
Yeah.
No rego, no roadie. I don't know, man.
Take it for a drive. If it makes it a 10-minute drive, you gotta buy it.
Okay, I suppose we'll take it for a drive and we may end up with our next project car, you know, before we've finished anything else that we're working on at the moment.
Hear that? That's no knocks at all.
That means it's good, right? All right, we're about to take off in our new painting mobile, take it for a test drive. I've already noticed the handbrake here. Sounds healthy as. We've got here the seat where the apprentice sits. I'll give the camera to you so I can operate this vehicle. How does it work with the engine being underneath us?
Well, so far, it gasses you out. Oh, spurs. Rev it up, you gotta get it breathing, mate. See? Nice.
She's all good now. Okay, all right. Okay,
Whoa,
so it
listen
works.
to her.
All right, we'll be back in a moment. We'll go for a test drive and
Don't blow it up. You haven't paid for it yet.
Okay, all right. Yeah, because we're test driving. I want to know if it's the right car for me.
Okay.
We'll be back.
Do you need finance?
Yeah, get the documents rolling.
Alright, see you soon.
Thank you. All right, off we go. There's no fuel. Typical dealership.
That's coming off the price, mate.
Mate, we got to find some points to talk this down. All right, you ready? It shifts. It's a 5-speed.
Oh, rev her out, mate. You hear that?
Oh, this drive's really funny. Oh my god.
Have you driven a van?
I've driven a van before, but not a van like this.
Not a mint one like this.
Mate, why is there no tachometer? It's just a Toyota logo. Look at this. Look, there's no, I don't know what the revs are at. It does not like taking off from a stop.
How do you know if you're on limiter?
I don't know.
There's a truck coming out.
Bro,
This thing stops on a dime.
what are you doing?
How did he not see us going 30?
Bro, oh fuck. It keeps stalling.
Maybe it's fuel cut. Oh, a little bit gassy
Oh,
in
it
here.
stinks. Off we go again. Mate, she's good for it. Ready for the rev match? Oh. We're going. Why is it not got power? Oh, wait for it. Here we go, into fourth.
Oh, bro, I'm so scared right now. This is surely what everyone does on a test drive, yeah?
Yeah. Look at all the room in the back. We can fit lots of things.
Yeah. Birchmobile.
Birchmobile. Oh my god. Man, it is making some funny noises.
And some funny smells.
How do we get this up?
Oh, there it is.
Oh,
Dang, that's a safe
there's
seat.
the stained seat for the apprentice.
Nails! That's fingernails.
What the fuck are we doing? They got Maybach cars here. Look at this.
Drives well?
Bro, it runs real funny.
How does it drive though?
It drives. Let me exit so we can begin negotiations. Yeah, look, man, I don't know if you can hear that, but it sounds cooked.
Oh my god! Healthy.
I mean, once you get up and going, it moves, but bro, it stinks on the insides.
Do you think it smells like paint?
Oh, Jesus. Bro, it stinks.
It just smells like paint.
What do you reckon?
I love it.
Bro, how much wiggle room you got on this thing? Like, let's be real. Like, we've known each other for a long time. Like, what's it been, like a month?
No, look, it's up for 2100. Look, can't really negotiate too much on that because it's a Toyota Hiace, like, you know.
500 bucks.
Don't.
500 bucks. Like, genuinely,
Like,
500 bucks will take
You
it.
hit 1 million subscribers, you take your bloody mask off, and you're thinking boss people around. We actually can't do 500 bucks.
What's our best price? What's our
Don't
best price?
bring me for negotiating. I love it.
No.
5 grand.
No, shut up! Bro, that's not how this works. Look,
If you want to take it today, I'll do 1500. It's raining, and I'm getting cold.
look, my special friend here is really keen on it. Bro, $1,000? Look, it's starting to rain. Let's make this happen.
Whatever. Shake my hand.
$1,000 in GYG. Done. And what?
Churro.
You're not getting churros. That wasn't part of the deal.
Churros.
$1,000. $1,000 in GYG. This van is ours.
Perfect.
New vehicle attained.
Should have got it cheap as a dent there.
Oh. What is it?
How do you even do that?
Will you do 800? Blake. Excuse me, Blake.
Yeah.
We found a dent in the front. Will you do 800?
Raining, it's worth more. You can drift it on the way home. Nah, $1,000.
$1,000.
That's it.
$1,000 and some GYG,
It's a
mate.
cheap car.
Done. Oh God. We haven't even finished any of the other cars yet, and we've moved on to the next project bucket. Fuck. Ah, bro, listen to it. It's rattling. Bro, it does not sound good. You are a terrible influence.
Don't worry, mate. I'll fix it.
This, all right, you see this car? This car is your responsibility. You need to get this running right, all right, okay?
The name, boys. Low ace. Slam days.
Clap days.
Clap.
Clappers.
The clap ace.
The clap ace. I want you guys to let me know in the comments, what are we naming this? It has to be the something ace. We've got low ace, slam ace, clap ace, grimace, grimace. Grimace, we make it purple.
No, grimace.
Grimace. But yeah, it's starting to rain. Let's go in, make the deal happen, and go show some of the boys our new rear-wheel drive manual 90s Japanese drift weapon. Let's do it. And that one came with 3 months stat warranty, right? Yeah?
Driveway warranty.
Driveway, 3 months driveway warranty. Okay, I'm happy with that. Let's go take our brand new Toyota Hiace and show some of the boys our new whip. All right, get scammed, idiots. So today, guys, we're going to be flipping this Toyota Hiace that we just picked up for $1,000, and we're going to turn it into 3. I'm joking. No, we're stuck with this thing now. Off we go, I guess. Hello, how are you?
Good, man, good.
Are you at your shop?
One more car by the end of the day.
Oh, you've only got one more car, then you're going to go home?
Yeah, I'm gonna go home. Why?
Can you fit one more car in? I'm like 2 minutes away.
No fucking way, are you?
I'll see you in a minute. Okay, we're on our way to go see our mechanical mate, so we can do it. Have a look at it. This is probably the first time this car has ever received unleaded 98, but now we're gonna make more power and make better economy. Feel pretty good right now. Owner of my new 90s Japanese rear-wheel drive manual car. Feels good, man.
It's gonna be the thumbnail, but we put a Supra in there.
How much fuel do you reckon this takes?
Oh, 2,000 litres.
Probably gonna take a bit.
Yeah.
You seem more excited about this than I am.
I love it. Ew, don't put it on the...
Oh, the fingernails.
My cup holders, Gary.
Mid-engine,
so
no
many
cup holders, 2
toenails.
doors, toenail. It's a Lambo. Where are tradies supposed to put their coffees in the morning when they're in these things? In case you guys haven't seen him previously, we're off to go meet our mate Alif. He's my mechanic from Motorious Performance. He's my very own European specialist, so we're bringing him this Japanese shitbox. I'll just drive this on in here. How are we doing?
Why is it smoking?
This smoke. Why is it smoking? So, this is our 90s rear-wheel drive Japanese box.
What's that knock?
What do you think?
Knock?
Fuck, man.
You can fit it in for a quick service.
Yeah, nah. Yeah, not this. We don't do this.
It's only what? It's only what? Closing time. You can fit it in.
Pick it up next week. $3.5 grand job, alright?
What? You haven't even looked at it, mate. 3.5 grand for what? You don't know what's wrong with
I'll
it.
get it done today for $3.5 grand.
You get it done today for 3. What's even wrong with it?
It needs a lot of stuff. I feel like that's a good deal.
Okay, so 3.5 grand, and you're good to replace the engine, the diff, the gearbox.
No, I gotta credit it up first.
Repaint job.
No, the 3.5 is admin.
Admin?
Yeah, just admin.
But yeah, what do you think of our rear-wheel drive manual 90s box?
Why? Why did you buy it?
How much do you think we bought it for?
Dude, it's probably worth about like, oh man, $1,000?
Well, guess what we bought it for?
$1,000.
$1,000. So Alif here, he's gonna do a full mechanical inspection and service for us and have it ready in the next hour.
The fuck?
I'm joking. Have a look at it, mate. She's mint.
Definitely an electrician on this.
It belonged to a painter, I think.
Painter?
Oh, we can use our big van to get our big oil drums.
Oh, true.
Perfect.
Chuck them in. I need somewhere to dispose of my oil. So a little bit of background. Last time I was here, I asked if I could have one of these oil drums because I want to take it and paint it green as a prop, and I just haven't gotten around to coming by and picking them up because I only see them when I need something. But now we can chuck them in our brand new van. Perfect for such occasions. We're going to steal some of his old oil drums so that I've got somewhere to put my old oil, and the whole idea is if we paint it green, it'll make a really cool prop for some videos. Put the logo on it, would look schmick. Yeah, free barrel. So what are your final impressions? You reckon it's worth $1,000?
Definitely $1,000. Definitely $1,000. But that engine's gonna be at least. Can you even get an engine for this car?
Oh, we were thinking of engine swapping it. Have you got one laying around we could fit in?
Yeah, the RS3.
Oh, true. Mate, look at this. RS3 5-cylinder, mate. These things sound hectic.
Well, you can go to 2J over there.
Or the two... Oh, man. Two 2Js? Look at that. What do you guys think? Do we fit a 2J into the Hiace? Or do we go down the route of European and fit in a 5-cylinder from an RS3? These things sound like mini V10s. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. What do we fit into this after the engine explodes? But either way, Alif has offered to do the work completely free, no labor, parts supplied, all fitted.
Yeah.
That's a legal agreement contract right there, verbal agreement. It's all right, he'll honor it. He's good like that. All right, let's get these barrels loaded up and head back to the shop for a better look.
Alif's making us be proper and check to see. Look, there's heaps of oil in
He
it.
started the car, that's why.
Oh, that oil smells like diff oil. It's all right.
Half.
It's all right.
All right, well, there's oil in it.
I'll leave this with you.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
Mate. Oh,
Complimentary
our
of our
side
motor.
business. Just 2 drums, thing of oil. Check out our eBay.
All right, let's get it moving.
Yeah.
I don't like that the oil light still comes on for a moment.
So I have a feeling
Should be good.
because it starts with the oil light on, maybe the oil pump's back. Alright, good luck.
All right, anyway, thanks for the service, mate. We'll see ya.
Bro, I don't have a seatbelt anymore.
You'll be right. Whipping the whip, mate.
Our barrels!
Our barrels!
Our barrels!
Barrels!
How many barrels is this thing running?
Mate, we got 2 barrels of oil in the back. Now look, I know this isn't like the normal sort of videos that I do. It's a little more sporadic and on the spot. And look, yesterday I didn't have any plans of going and picking up a $1,000 Hiace. It just kind of happened. I know you guys are really keen to see some more stuff about Lumstick. I'm about halfway through the process, so it'll be good though. It'll be good, trust me. The video won't be very far after this one. And from the Beamer, I've just had something pretty cool arrive from AliExpress. And of course, we've got the green wrap to go on very soon so that it matches the other buckets. I mean, look, we picked this thing up as an impulse buy because we needed something just to get merch to and from events, but hey, let us know. Do you guys actually want to see us do anything to this? Do you want to see us do like a mechanical breakdown? We can get it up on the hoist, see where it's all at? Because I mean, as it stands at the moment, I've got a whole list of things we need to do to this. This one's currently in pieces. This one isn't mine. This one doesn't even turn on or drive. And this one's a drift car. So I've already kind of got my hands full at the moment, but I mean, hey, fuck it. Now that I don't have to wear the mask in videos, I can bang through these videos a lot quicker. As you've just seen today, I could actually walk into a dealership and have a normal human interaction without it being weird. Let us know what you guys want to see next. We'll see you guys real soon with an update on this one and then that one. Oh, and one more thing before I go.